In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and format equations in Notion. If you want to include math, formulas, or scientific notation in your notes, Notion makes the process pretty simple. The key is knowing where to find the equation tool and how to format what you type so it displays correctly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to insert an equation, choose the right display style, and make small adjustments if something doesn't look right. Start by opening the Notion page where you want the equation to appear. This could be a class note, a research document, a planning page, or any workspace where you need to display mathematical content clearly. Before typing the equation itself, it helps to decide exactly where you want it placed in the document so everything stays organized and easy to read. Once you're in the right spot, type /equation or /math. This opens the relevant option in Notion so you can insert a formula. When the menu appears, choose either inline equation or block equation. Inline equations are useful when you want the math to sit naturally within a sentence or paragraph. Block equations, on the other hand, are better when you want the formula to stand out on its own line, especially for longer or more important expressions. After selecting the format you want, type your equation using LaTeX style formatting. This is what tells Notion how to display the symbols properly. For example, use the caret symbol for powers and the underscore for subscripts. These small formatting rules are especially important in algebra, chemistry, physics, or any note where precision matters. As you type, take a moment to preview the equation and make sure it displays the way you expect. This quick check can save time and prevent confusion later, especially if you're working with more detailed formulas. If anything looks off, such as a symbol appearing in the wrong place or part of the equation not rendering properly, go back and edit the formatting until it looks correct. Once everything appears the way you want, save it directly inside your notes or document. That way, the equation becomes part of your page and stays neatly integrated with the rest of your content. A good final tip is to keep your equations consistent throughout the page. If you use inline formatting in one area and block formatting in another, make sure there's a clear reason for it so your notes remain clean and professional looking. With that, you now know how to add and format equations in Notion.